आप थोड़ी देर के लिए ना सदफ, आई एम नॉट डिसएग्रीइंग विद हाउ यू फीलिंग, बट पुट योरसेल्फ इन हिज शूज, ठीक है?
बट सर मैंने इनसे ना कोई झगड़ा किया ना इन पे कभी कोई प्रेशर किया. इनफैक्ट व्हेन शी केम टू मी, प्लीज आस्क हाउ पोलाइट एंड सॉफ्ट आई वाज, बिकॉज जब इन्होंने एंटर किया उन्होंने मुझे तभी बोला आई लव दिस मैन. और मैं सबको अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोल रही थी दैट आई फील सो बैड दैट आई हैव टू गेट इन बिटवीन दीज टू पीपल हु हैव रियल फीलिंग्स फॉर ईच अदर. बिकॉज अगर मैं इसकी जगह होती और मैं कहीं एंटर करती and Tain would have been with somebody, I know how I would have felt, and I told her this. I was very nice. Because I'm gonna look like I am literally fighting for a boy that I'm not even interested in. It's just for the connection that I have to build in this game to go ahead. और मुझे अभी ऐसे गंदा फील हो रहा है. मैं कल पूरा दिन रो रही थी इसके लिए क्योंकि it's looking like मैं किसी लड़के के लिए रो रही हूँ जो मैंने कभी नहीं किया लाइफ में.
So then मत कर सदफ.
Yeah.
But I'm looking stupid.
Come here. Can you come here?
I'm in that fucking
Can you
spot
come here?
right now.
Can you come here, please?
I've been crying since yesterday, and this man didn't even have the balls to come and apologize to me.
I want you to calm down, okay? It is not worth it. If you've had this realization, he has not been truthful to you, छोड़ दे. It's going to be okay. I promise. Look at me. I promise it's going to be okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, Mohit and Anushka, it is very nice that जो भी connection है आप दोनों के बीच, even when you were separated, somehow you have come back together. Even though Sadaf is not happy about this situation, but we're always happy that love finds its way to the correct people. Would you guys like to stand together?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's switch spots.
And Mohit, you know what? Jealousy is a very strong emotion. And you don't have to feel bad about it. In fact, अच्छी चीज़ है कि आपको समझ में तो आया कि आपको चाहिए क्या. But at the same time, सदफ के point of view से आपको communicate करना चाहिए था. You should have. अभी भी वक्त है. You can apologize if you want.
सदम, I am extremely sorry for what I did. I think थोड़ा सा communication barrier था हम दोनों के बीच में. Before talking to अनुष्का, मुझे आपसे एक बारी पूछना चाहिए था, पर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था आप थोड़े से controlling हो रहे थे. आप मुझे command कर रहे थे.
This is not how you apologize.
Not an apology, bro.
Yeah. I am
I
extremely.
don't want it, ma'am. I don't want it. That's all right.
You don't need to apologize now. You can figure out what's the best way to do that.
Sure.
But an apology doesn't have if, ands, or buts in it.
I got it.
अनुष्का, जब आपके पास वक्त होगा आप इसको समझाना.
Yeah.
Because I feel कि आप और सदफ same plane पे है when it comes to that point.
Yeah.
Communication. And then whenever you're ready, genuinely ready with the apology, then go for it.
Yeah.